Secretary John Vic Remulla.
Um, safe, play safe.
Play safe.
Play safe.
Playing safe, ha? Play
Play
safe
safe.
siya, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Ganun ba? Okay. Ombudsman, Boying Remulla.
The good Remulla, the better Remulla.
Parang ang ehersito pa
Parang
yan,
FC na rin. The good brother. Parang
Oh, okay. Ito. Lenny Robredo.
the future.
The future. Okay. Ito mamaya na ito. Sino? Amy Marcos.
The past. para kasi for me, wala. Can I explain? No?
Sige.
Kasi Amy Marcos, I don't think there's a redemption arc for her. Eh.
Okay.
Parang
Wala na.
downhill na talaga yung
Oo.
political ni Amy Marcos. Eh.
Wala na talaga. Well, in the past and the furious. Kasi galit na sa kanya yata lahat.
Exactly, di ba?
Sa past and the
Tama,
furious.
tama.
Diba,
The
hindi,
Fast and the
hindi naman.
Furious,
Okay. Bongo.
Bongo is watch out.
Watch out, ha?
Watch out kasi
Oh,
possibly siya na naman yung next na tirahin ng ICC.
Okay. Robin Padilla.
Robin Padilla, actor.
Ah,
Artista naman talaga siya, di ba?
Hindi, pero sabi nila, director na raw ngayon eh. Dahil,
Baka
Yung
baka
mga
din
ano.
producer na din eh. Actor, director. Produced by Robin Padilla, directed by Robin Padilla, actor Robin Padilla.
okay, Win Gatchalian.
Matotrouble ata ako sa mga sinasabi niyo. Ako, Win Gatchalian, possible Senate President.
Okay. Erwin Tulfo.
Erwin Tulfo, assertive.
Assertive.
Assertive. Yeah.
Rafi Tulfo.
Parang gusto ko rin sabihin na pero I think they're okay naman silang pareho. Rafi Tulfo is talaga siya. I think possible tandem for Lenny Robredo.
Okay. Ping Lacson.
Ping Lacson is matapang.
Yapang. Okay. Rodrigo Duterte.
Rodrigo Duterte, ha? How to describe Rodrigo Duterte? Ano yan? Siguro, human rights violator. Yun talaga. I think
human rights violator.
That's the highlight of his entire administration. Na human rights violator talaga siya.
Okay. Alan Peter Cayetano.
10K.
10K,
di ba?
10K.
There are 10,000 reasons to love or hate Alan Peter Cayetano.
O baka mas marami daw yung hate eh.
Baka umabot din ng 10K.